What's up, you guys? So today I am going to be showing you guys how to slay this bob. Today I am going to be installing this unit that I got from MSBUY. Here is the packaging for this unit. Now this unit, you guys, came bomb straight out of this box. Like, y'all gotta see this. Just look, watch.
Drive an all-white rank. Couldn't hit it if niggas had iron. Lanes can't call and you lame. You had it and you lost all the time. I can buy a Billy, don't talk to me. For a show 150, don't talk to me. You ain't never help your mans, don't talk to me. You just follow all the trends, don't talk to me. I set the bar, I'm the bar. In the sky, I'm a star. I don't fall in love cause I be loving hard. Do everything like my shirt, it's a large. I don't care, I catch a ghost. Got 2 kids in 2 states, I be doing the most. I got white folks money that I won't blow. And if you ask why, cause the white folks don't. Big bank, take little bank, bank. Big bank, take little bank, bank. Type of money you gon' use, like. Type of money you gon' use, bank. From the hood, type of money make you stay away. Type of money she gon' let you put it in the bank. Big bank, take little bank, bank. Big bank, take little bank.
Everything proper, no propaganda. Tropicana go yard batting down. Big sack, a lot of hoes like Santa. Threw a birthday party in a phantom. Big like a dinosaur did it. And you know did it shining like a grill. Yeah, I sold dope and had cornrow. I can see you nigga hang with the door closed. Now I'm looking for a glove with a sparkle on it. And my CBD got chocolate on it. Big bank, take small. Bank account on some tall attitude on some you too. Bank roll on what it do, boo. Meet me at the roulette vibe. And if I ain't did it yet, I'll try.
Big bank, take little bank, bank. Big bank, take little bank, bank. Type of money you gon' use, like. Type of money you gon' use, bank. From the hood, type of money make you stay away. Type of money she gon' let you put it in the bank. Big bank, take little bank, bank. Big bank, take little bank.
She said, what you gon' do if I leave? I said, I'ma do me. B.I.G. everything zoomed in. Big bag on me looking like I'm moving in. Got my foot in the door and we still here. I'm a first generation millionaire. I broke the curse of my family not having it. I'm passionate like girls that's after more than just cash and dick. Feed me to the wolves, now I lead the package. You boys all cap, I'm more Colin Kaepernick. I'm rare as affordable healthcare. I'm growing the wealth from welfare. I turn my W's to M's, yeah, I flip those. I might buy a red bottoms with the crypto. 3 coins, that'll pay your whole semester. But you gotta ride it better than a Tesla.
Big bank, take little bank, bank. Big bank, take little bank, bank. Type of money you gon' use, like. Type of money you gon' use, bank. From the hood, type of money make you stay away. Type of money she gon' let you put it in the bank. Big bank, take little bank, bank. Big bank, take little bank.
Back again, back to back, made back, stack the M's. Told him I met Slim Shady, bag the M. Once he go black, he'll be back again. Tell him hoes that it's crunch time abdomen. Yes, I caught Mad Chanel and Mad Javin. She did it again, imagine them. About to make these bums mad again. Back to them. I lead the pack, so my back's to them. Yup, the queen's back, what's happening? Rerun, about to make these rap again. Diamond chains on my ankle. Young money in the cut like a shank out. Tell tip rubber bands on my bankroll. Show my like a stank house.
So here is a look at the frontal once I finish plucking it. Now at this point I haven't done anything to this wig but pluck it. So I just wanted to show you guys exactly what that looked like. As you guys can see, this lace is super transparent. Like, this is the best lace you can possibly get. So here is what the unit looked like after I went ahead and bleached the knots on it. As you guys can see, this is going to look so natural once I apply the unit. Like, look at this, straight up scalp, like perfectly bleached. I freaking love this frontal. Like, look at this. Oh my god, yes honey. So now that we're done molding our baby hairs, now it's the perfect time to go ahead and start applying our unit. Today I have my best friend as my model, and I am going to be using this e.l.f. brush here, and I'm also going to be using this foundation to apply on her wig cap and on the lace. As you guys can see, this lace is very transparent, so you can see the wig cap underneath. So what I'm going to have to do is push her wig cap back so that way it looks like the lace is coming straight out of her skin and not this wig cap. So you want to make sure that the lace is covering up right by the ear. So right here, I'm just making sure that I cut the lace off right around her ear and then measuring it here just to make sure it flows properly. So that's all we're doing here. Once you have cut your flaps, you want to go ahead and look at the hairline and make sure it's placed right where you want it. So that way when we apply our glue, we know how far up or how far back we need to go with the glue. So that's what I'm doing here, and then clipping those flaps backwards.
Say, baby, I love you if you ain't running game. Say my name. Kinda shady, ain't calling me baby. Why the sudden change? Say my name. Say, baby, I love you if you ain't running game. Say my name. Kinda shady, calling me baby, and no one is around. Say my name. Round you, no one is around. Say my name. Round you, no one is around.
All that junk inside your trunk.
I'ma get you drunk, get you love drunk off my hump, 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 my lovely little lumps. I drive these this crazy, I do it on the daily. They treat me really nice, they buy me all these ices, Gucci and Gabbana, Fendi and Adana, Karen, they be sharing all their money, got me wearing fly, but I ain't asking. They say they love my ass, 7 jeans, true religion. They never thought he giving, so I keep on taking, and no I ain't taking. We can keep on taking, I keep on demonstrating my love, my love, my love. You love my lady lumps, my hump, my hump, my humps. They got you.
Voila, magic. Here is the finished look, looking extremely natural. Once again, this wig is from MSBUY. If you guys want this wig, I will leave a link down in the description box down below. Look at her edges. It's looking like straight up scalp around here, period, poo. This is a 12-inch unit. It is a 13x6 unit, and it was pre-plucked, as you guys saw in the beginning of the video. The knots in this unit are very small, very quick and easy to bleach it as well, which gave us this very natural look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!